I have been trading every single day using the same strategy, and I have never fully revealed everything in one video. Until today, this is the complete MS-SNR system, market structure, support and resistance. And the one secret thing that instantly boosted my win rate. Watch this video once, take notes, and your trading will never be the same. And I will show you the complete system that I trade every single day. And I share every trade setup on my Telegram. You can join, link will be in the description. MS-SNR, which is stand for market structure, support and resistance. This is the complete system I will teach you today. And I got a problem with me because there is lots of strategy on the internet. And after learning everything on the internet, I got a solution combining market structure with support and resistance. And I formed the complete system with time frame alignment, entry confirmation, and the zone marking and everything regarding my complete strategy. And also I will give you the proof that this strategy work every single day. You can see my Telegram for my trade journal, and also you can see this video till the end so that you will get everything regarding this strategy. And if you are old viewers of my YouTube channel, you already know about my strategy. And today I will give you the secret thing that will instantly boost win rate. And yeah, let's get into it. The system that I use every day is simple market structure with 5 SNR zone. Some entry confirmation that already teach you in a previous video, and some hidden details that increases your win rate. I'll show you everything regarding this entry confirmation, also hidden details that I saw and that instantly boosted my win rate. And the time frame, this is the intraday setup. Higher time frame is a 15-minute and lower time is a 3-minute. You just have to watch this 2 time frame only. You just have to analyze on this 2 time frame only. There is no lots of time frame you have to use. You just have to read the 15-minute time frame and the 3-minute time frame. 15-minute for the market analysis, marking the zone, and 3-minute for the entry confirmation. This strategy gives you 1:3 RR. It's 1:3 RR. But you can take 1:2 RR, 1:1 RR, but it's depend on you. But I take 1:3 RR and it's above 60% win rate. Into first market structure. I will teach you market structure first, and then I will teach you how to mark the SNR zone also. If you are the old viewers that already watch this video, and if you know about the market structure and SNR zone, you can skip this part and go to the confirmation that I exactly use, and also the trade breakdown video that I took recently. There is lots of crazy thing you should know, and if you apply on this yourself, you can get the result. And first, let's talk about the market structure. And the market structure is basically market movement like this. First market from the higher high, and then it from the higher low, and after that it from the higher high like this. It breaks the structure like this, and after some time it reaches to the some kind of resistance here, and it break the structure, which is the market structure break like this. Then it from the lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high like that. This is the complete framework, and I just took the trade from this level kind. This is the first, it was the resistance and broke, it becomes the support, which is the resistance become support, RBS. And this is the apex level, which is also acting as a support. If this zone doesn't able to hold the market, then this apex can hold the market and it form the higher high like this. And after some time, market reaches the resistance level like this, higher time frame resistance level. Then it can form the market structure break. If you are SMC or ICT trader, you can also know this is the market structure break or change of character also. Market is changing its character from bullish to bearish like this, and it's forming lower low and lower high, lower low and lower high like this. And then when the market structure break form, there forms the 3 zone for the sell. First, this is the apex, and second, this is the QM, and third, this is the first, it was the support. After a break, it becomes the resistance like this. After the market structure break, it formed the break of structure like this. When there is the break of structure happens, there will be the two zone like this. This is the apex and this is the support become resistance zone like this, you can see. And when there is the market structure break, you have to know one thing, that when there is the market structure break, there will be the apex. Let's name it here. It is the apex level. This is the apex level, and this is the QM level, and this is the support become resistance level, SPR level. You can see when there is the market structure break, it form the 3 level, and when there is the break of structure like this, you will get the support become resistance level and then apex level like this. This is the SBR also, and this is the apex also. SBR for support become resistance and apex for the this break of structure like this. Bearish to bullish case, this is the some kind of higher time frame support level, and the market is forming the lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. It's on the bearish trend. After the market structure break, it formed the resistance become support level like this. Resistance become support level, and this is the QM level, and this is the apex level like this. You can see. Yeah, in the bullish case, it form the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. In this way, I trade the market structure and support resistance. And in this video, I won't talk about the every single entry confirmation. I will just show you the how I take the entry and which entry confirmation I take. You can also watch this video. In this video, you can get all 6 kind of entry confirmation you can use on your trading system. And now let me show you some trade, that I took recently and some entry style that I use personally, so you can increase your win rate also. Let's first see how is the market going. Like this, you can see it's forming the high here and the low here, and it broke this high. You can see it broke this high here with some pips, and I use for the candle body close to the break of structure, and it formed the market structure break to the downside. You can see this is the higher high, and this is the higher low, and this is the higher high. When the higher low break, it formed the market structure break. Then on the market structure break, we got the 3 level like this. This is the first level from where we can sell, and this is the another level, and also this is the apex level, which is little bit small here, but you can see, but in other market structure you can see the big apex, but in this structure there is the small apex. It's okay. And again it formed the low and high. It break this low, so it formed the break of structure, and in the break of structure we can get the 2 level like this. This is the first level, and this is the second level. This is the apex level, and this is the support become resistance level, because we are in the bearish trend. And for the zone marking, you can use the highest wick like this. This is the highest wick on the upside, like in the apex, and this is the highest wick on the downside like this. You can see for the support become resistance level. After the break of this zone, you can see entry on this level. Let's cut it here. On the lower time frame, I suggest you to trade after the 9 p.m. because after the 9 p.m. there is the high volatility in the market, your trade can easily get the 1:3 RR. So you can see I personally take trade after the 9 p.m. Let's wait for the market to form the inverse fair value gap like this. This is the fair value gap. Wait for the market to form the inverse fair value gap like this. You can see it formed the inverse fair value gap here, and SL will be at the retracement high, and you can take 1:3 RR. You can see this trade perfectly at 1:2.2. If you take 1:2 RR, you can get the TP on this trade, but I'm waiting for the market to 1:3 RR, so this trade becomes the B for me. And again, you can see there is the level. This is the support become resistance level. Market reached at this level, and then it formed the inverse fair value gap here, and I took this trade, and then after some time it got SL, and you can see there is the market structure to the upside, market structure break to the upside, and also there is the recent break of structure. So let's just mark this level, and let's wait for the market to reach our level and form the inverse fair value gap. You can see there is no any inverse fair value gap. Let's again wait for the market to reach to our zone, and here you can see there is the fair value gap. Here there is the inverse fair value gap. Here is the fair value gap, and after the break it becomes the inverse fair value gap. If you took trade at this level after the inverse fair value gap, you will simply get SL, because there is the one time frame higher, which is 5 minutes. There is the fair value gap here, which is acting as a resistance. There is the 2 fair value gap here, which is acting as a resistance. You just have to wait for the fair value gap to complete it context. Like, wait for the fair value gap either to complete the context or just break of this fair value gap to form the inverse fair value gap on the 5 minute. Then you can take trade on the 3 minute. For now, you can see it's not breaking the fair value gap. It's completing the 5 minute context. You can see this is the fair value gap. After the market reaches into this fair value gap, and again it's with the low liquidity, then this is the context complete of that fair value gap. This fair value gap completes its work. So for now, this both fair value gap is tapped. So we don't have to care about the 5 minute fair value gap. In this case, we can just go to the 3 minute time frame and again wait for the inverse fair value gap. Yeah, you can see again it formed the inverse fair value gap. If you take trade here, you can get 1 SL. But if you wait for the 5 minute fair value gap to either complete context or completely break up the 5 minute fair value gap. If there is no 5 minute fair value gap, you are good to go with the only 3 minute inverse fair value gap or any entry you like. After that, it perfectly hit 1:3 RR. You can see like this. You just have to watch for the 5 minute fair value gap so that you can get powerful high quality entry setup. And if you backtest this same entry at the previous day entry, you can get filter out the lots of SL so that you can get only win. Then your win rate will be obviously high. And let's see, there is the again market structure break here, and let's wait for the market to reach into our market structure. And here you can see it is to our market structure, which is the support, First it was the resistance, after breaking it becomes the support, which is resistance become support level. And let's go to the 5-minute time frame. On the 5-minute, you can see there is no any fair value gap above. Like this fair value gap is completing its context, so we don't have to care about this fair value gap. There is no any fresh fair value gap here, you can see. So let's go to the 3-minute time frame. On the 3-minute time frame, you can see there is the inverse fair value gap on the 3-minute, and then you can take trade and then put your SL to break even after the 1:1.5 and full TP on 1:3 RR. But this trade hit 1:2.3, and after that it gives me break even trade. And you can see it already broke this level, and there from the QM level like this. There is the market structure break. So we got the QM level like this, and then we can take trade from this QM level. And I went to the 3-minute time frame, and you can see, let's see here, there is the bullish entry here, but next candle just sweep my SL, and then it again from the inverse fair value gap here, and then it hit 1:3 RR. In this video, you got the powerful entry setup like this, you can see, and there is only one setup that look like this. There is the multiple setup in the previous day, you can see like this. And also in this video, you know about one major thing, that you have to careful about the 5-minute fair value gap, and also 15-minute fair value gap. I already teach you. In the 15-minute fair value gap there is no any case like this, but if you take trade from this level, there should not be any opposing fair value gap here. If you look my previous video, there are the perfect example for this, but in the study there is no any example of the 15-minute fair value gap opposing 15-minute fair value gap, but there is the 5-minute opposing for our entry like this. You can see this 5-minute fair value gap completed this context, and then again it from the inverse fair value gap on the 3-minute time frame, then it went perfectly to our TP. You just have to careful about the 5-minute fair value gap. Yeah, and if you like my this kind of video, and if you like my strategy, you can also join the Telegram, and you can watch the complete breakdown of this strategy, and all of the entry you can see here. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are adding up to the 2K subscriber. And thank you so much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.